Video, I would like to take you through how you can enable SQL Server Authentication. What you need to do, just get into your SQL Server Management Studio, which looks like this. Just get into it. Then let me connect it to the Object Explorer. So when you get into your SQL Server Management Studio, you'll be taken into this interface. You can notice in your first case, you shall just do the window authentication first. You come here, in most cases it's optional. You select it to be mandatory and then select Trust Server Certificate, then click Connect. So when you are taken into this interface, you need to come to where we have security, just expand it. Then come to where we have logins. In your case, where we have SA, the logins, yours will be ticked with red mark like this, but mine is not ticked because I have already authenticated. I'm doing this video for demonstration. Just click above it. You just come here, you set up your password. Let me set up mine. You will then come to where we have status. In your case, it will be denied, just select grant. In the login, it will be disabled, just select enable and then click OK. After doing that, you can refresh. Then you can choose to disconnect and then connect. Then when you come here, you just select the SQL authentication, put your username, which is SA, don't change it to avoid complication, then input your password and then connect. And after doing that, when now you come here where we have security and the logins and the SA, now that red mark will be removed to tell you that you have clearly been able to authenticate. The SQL Server Authentication is already done. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't